Okay, Solnith, what are you doing? You gotta kill him. You're like letting him play and sit with you. What the heck? You stabbed him. Are you having a pet or something? You're not letting the others get to him. Mom, he's like literally sitting there letting him pet. Good boy. You gonna kill him or not? Solnith, what are you gonna do? Get him. Yes. Kill him.
You're supposed to kill it.
You're supposed to kill it. Not just like bring it up and drop it on my foot. You already stabbed him a couple times with your teeth. I saw him bleeding earlier. Just kill him, okay? Good boy for catching him, but finish him off. Don't be mean and just let him die slowly or something. You're being a dick right now, cat. You're just gonna let him. If you're not gonna take care of him, I'll grab him and I'll just like flush him down the toilet or whatever. What you gonna do with him, you dummy? You dumb nuts. Just kill him and get it over with. Don't be a sadist or a masochist, whatever. I was about to go to sleep and all of a sudden he drops this living mouse on my foot, on my heel.
Like, look what I got.
Yes, I see what you got. But you can't keep him as a pet, so either kill him or eat him. Or let them do it. Let Diana do it. But don't be chuffing and huffing at them. Stop playing with him and kill him.
Good boy.
Dude, don't be looking at me to try to save you. You came into a house knowing you had 3 cats. Expect zero mercy from me. You should have just left it well enough alone. Solnith, either you kill him or I will flush him down the toilet. We don't want them as a pet. Hey, Solnith, you can't keep him as a pet, okay? You can't keep him as a pet. Just eat him or something. I thought initially he was trying to lick my feet or lick my ankle like he does. Like he licks the feet. I thought initially that's what it was. I'm like, what the heck? And then all of a sudden, I was like, wait, that's not. What the heck? Because I felt him, and then he let the mouse move up a bit. I was like, what the heck?
I think you're just gonna have to flush it or something.
Are you wanting me to kill it? Is that why you brought him to me? Because you want me to kill him? You kill him. Your mouse, you kill him.
It's fresh food.
You kill him. You do it. Or are you curious about how people kill them? Are you curious about how people kill them? Mouse, if I were you, I would run because there's 2 more cats ready to eat you. They're right there. They're over there, Mouse. So they're looking for you. So you would either run. I'm not going to interfere in the circle of life. Don't be looking at me for mercy and compassion. You came into a house where there's 3 cats. If you're not smart enough to figure out what happens when you walk into a house with cats. That's not my problem. Fine, there you go. You take care of them. Well, then you take care of them. Take care of them. No. You wanted to play with me? Oh, is that it? You want to play with me? Okay, well.
Because it's not moving as much. He wants you to.
There you go. There you go. Do what you need to do. Don't let him just... Yeah, Look, okay, just take care of him. Go. Off my bed, okay? Go. Take him off my bed. You're getting his blood on my bed and stuff. Yes, good boy. No, Mommy doesn't want it by her face. Mommy doesn't want it by her face. I don't want him by me. You take care of it. You take him off your bed. Take him off my bed. Take him off my bed. You dumb cat. We're gonna have to wash this seat tonight. You dumb twit. You dumb twit. Then take care of it. What a dumb cat. We absolutely know who the killer is in the household now, don't we?
I think maybe he just wants to show us.
You're a good boy. Now kill him and get it over with, okay? Kill him and get it over with. Don't be cruel.
You're wondering who's the killer. He's like, see, look.
I'm the one who kills. I'm the one who catches. I'm the one who kills. Are you showing Aegon up? What do you have to say about this, Aegon? Huh? What do you got to say about this?
It's like Diana.
Diana? Diana? You gonna weigh in? No? Can you get rid of him for me? Come on. Take care of them. I need to get to bed, Cat.
Just flush it down the toilet.
Dummy.